everyone, most tools used in the computer assembly process are small hand tools. They are available individually or as parts of a computer repair toolkit. Toolkit range widely in size, quality, and price. Some common hand tools and their uses are flathead screwdriver. It is used to tighten or loosen slotted screw. Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten cross-headed screw. Torx screwdriver. It is used to tighten or loosen screw that have historic depression on the top. Hex driver. It is used to loosen or tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens or loosens screw. Needle nose pliers. It is used to hold small parts. Wire cutters used to strip and cut wires. And tweezer used to manipulate small parts. That's all, and thank you.